Hi, my name is Jeff. I'm with 3R's Construction. Today we're going to be doing controlled testing of some of the chemicals that we have that will help neutralize and disinfect some of your common areas for homes and for businesses. Today we're at a local church and we are going to deodorize, and we're also going to disinfect a couple rooms. The first room we're going to do is we're going to disinfect a nursery. Common nursery items in there. We're not going to move anything. We're going to leave it exactly how it is, and we're going to spray it with a chemical that is all natural that will disinfect the whole area.